Hello and welcome to another Sheila Show Me video with Thompson Leisure. This amazing giant is the MLT crossover and it has just arrived in stock. It's a brand new 2023. Look at the size of those wheels. Look at the beast. I'm short, but this makes me look tiny. This makes me look really small. Let's hop in and see more about it. So starting with your alloys, that there is a 16-inch steel alloy wheel, and I'll find out what size the actual tyres are themselves. And they sit on a reinforced front axle as well. It's just a monster, this thing. You'll see the additional spotlights there up the top as well. Moving round, you have your full length awning all the way to the back. And then, of course, you do have storage in this vehicle. All the top of the range locking systems in this. And you have an outside shower point there as well. You'll see round to the left there is a ladder to access the roof, and that is where you'll also find your 2 solar panels. There is also a lithium battery on this vehicle, so you can go off grid, and that's kind of the main focus of this crossover. Up the top you'll see your camera, and that is a 180-degree reverse camera as well, along with your spare wheel and a nice little lock on that as well. And your lovely solar panels on the roof. Our dedicated camera woman climbing up the ladder. Something that's very unique about this vehicle. So of course you have your standard toilet cassette right in here. And across here you have your usual gas location where your gas bottles will sit. But right up above is your second toilet cassette. That's correct. There is a second toilet cassette. So if you're out in the wild and you have nowhere to empty, slot it in there, put the other one in. Very smart. And there is a secondary lock up here as well with the new locking system. Let's go inside. So this is your main cab, and as you can see there is a lot to look at right now. This is an automatic brand new Mercedes. So within this whole multimedia system, there is of course your sat nav, which is just here, your radio just there, and that's a DAB radio. You do have access to your reverse camera and your 180 reverse camera as well. Below that you do have your air conditioning as well, and then just above here in this compartment you have a charging station, so you can put your phone on this area, charge it up, and there's additional USB ports there as well. Of course then onto your steering wheel you do have a multi-functioning steering wheel, so you have access to all of your home media systems as well as your gears just here on the gear stick. Below that is your park brake just in underneath. And you then of course have your additional lights. So the lights on the roof just above, that's how you switch them on. You can put your step in, just hitting that button. And then you can also empty your wastewater from here as well. So these seats are lovely soft leather seat, and you will see the nice Hymer logo just here on this headrest. Great thing for long-legged people. Unlike myself, you can extend this seat out. For me, I like to keep it in and short because that's my preference. And on the door here is your switch for your heated seating as well, and you can put that to what level you want. Of course this vehicle comes with Remus blinds, and they just come all the way across, clicking in place, and the same along your front windscreen as well. So moving back down the vehicle, you have that nice leather that works its way through. This is your 3rd and 4th belt for any passengers, and there are these lovely transverse pillows, duck feather pillows as well, might I add. So they're really nice touch. Moving across then to your kitchen, you have a 3 gas hob and your nice large sink there as well. You do have lots of storage, some nice deep drawers, and again more. And then you have your full fridge with a freezer compartment in there as well. Lovely skylights throughout the vehicle, and a real nice modern finish on these different cupboards. So then entering your bathroom, you do have your nice toilet, and then your sink, and of course your shower. To kind of make it a bit more accessible for your shower, little button under the sink, pop that button, and that hides your toilet. It means that you can really separate your shower area from your toilet area. And then you have your high singles or large double, depending on what you prefer. As you can see, there is, again, tons of storage, and that's just right below the vehicle. I showed you the garage on the outside, but that also follows through to the inside. So you do have storage for your clothes. If you're going for a long duration, you do have storage, and then that is your infill pillows for making up into the double bed area here. This pillow is actually for your front, because this is a 3-berth, 4-belt. So one more person can come on your adventure. As I mentioned, there is lovely duck feather pillows throughout the vehicle. And then behind me, there is charging points and plug-in points as well. And that is the brand new MLT crossover 4x4 that makes me feel very small. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle or any other vehicle, we have other new Hymers, other new Burstners. We have 12 different ranges. Contact me directly, 028 92 3999. Drop me an email, marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or drop a message in the comments and I will pick all of them up, and I'll see you in the next